and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel, Dave in the Man Cave. And for those who have not been with us before, my name's Dave Tompkins and I'm a motorcycle vlogger. Well, today I'm heading out to ULLSWATER in the Lake District because I'm meeting a friend of mine down here who's kindly enough bringing the kayaks down to the lake. So myself and my friend Dino are going out kayaking for a few hours this morning. Now I can tell you it is very breezy at the moment, and it's not the warmest of mornings, but we're going to go out anyway. We're going to give it a shot. Now, just for the record, guys and girls, I actually haven't been kayaking before, ever. Now, I've done a fair bit of water sports, skiing and jet skiing. I've been out on all kinds of boats, but this will be the very first time I've actually been out on a kayak, so it'll be a new experience for me. I've been looking forward to going for so long now. I just said I'd bite the bullet and we'll go this morning. We arranged it last night, so I think I'm ahead of Dino. So he shouldn't be long behind me. So I'm just going to go down and have a look roughly where we're going to launch these kayaks, and I'll just jump off the bike and have a look at the shores there and see what it's all about before he comes down. And then I'll just have to park the bike up in a safe place, and when Dino gets down I'll just change into me gear and store the motorcycle stuff in the car and see how we get on. So guys, I don't know if you noticed, if you have been sticking around the channel, just lately I've just done a load of live streams because I've not been able to get out and about, what with work and everything. But I'm not too worried about the weather, so hopefully that'll change and I'll start putting up me content on a regular basis for you guys. Well, I must admit I do like these roads, apart from the sun blinding me, but we'll get over that. I'm hoping it's not affecting the viewing too much, flickering on the camera, so hopefully it'll be alright for you. Well, guys and girls, this is my Suzuki 1250 FA. Basically you can call it the Bandit, and that's what I'm out on my bike today, travelling to the destination. So if there's anyone new to this channel here today, I've got a good few videos up of doing different jobs on the bike, whether it's brakes, oil change, taking the fairing off, bits and pieces with the dash clock and safe warning lights and bits and pieces, and taking off the fairing, you know, all kinds of different things. And I've got plenty of motorcycle trips on it as well, you can have a look through there. And also there's one there with wild camping. Now, a friend of mine at work, I didn't realise it, but apparently he goes kayaking an awful lot. So I want to say hello there to Nick. How are you doing? Hope you're tuned in and giving us a thumbs up. Now, I did say to Nick, I said, Nick, have you got any advice for me? I said, you know, first time kayaking, can you give us a few pointers? And he said, yeah. He said, always play it safe, he says. Safety is the main thing. So I said, well, yeah, really, that goes without saying, really, on the water. He said, no, I'm telling you, he says, bring a condom. I said, what? He said, yeah, bring a condom. I said, I'm going kayaking. I said, I'm not going looking for a local you know what. He says, no, he says, you take a condom with you, he says. He said, it's a lifesaver. I said, oh right, is it? He said, yeah. He said, stick your phone in it, tie a knot on it, and he said, if you go overboard, he said, your phone won't get wrecked. And he said, you'll get nothing safer than that. He said, you can always rely on a condom. So I thought, oh well. So now, well, I didn't bring me condom because I haven't got any. Now, as you can see here on the left hand side, we've got the beautiful ULLSWATER, and I'm actually riding into the breeze at the moment, so it might be a bit of a struggle, but what we're going to do, the plan is what we spoke about. When we launch the crafts, we're going to paddle into the wind, that by the time we're knackered or worn out or whatever you want to call the word, we can have a nice little paddle back and take it easy, rather than go the other way, because we might go too far and it might take us too long to get back and we might use all our energy up. So that's the plan. We're gonna go towards the breeze. Now, I don't know how far I'm actually going to go down here. I'm looking out for like a little small lay-by, which Dino was telling me about, and if I find one suitable enough, that's where I'll pull over. Because I'm ahead of Dino, he won't pass me, so it'll be quite alright, because he knows his way about more than me. Now, we've also got a bit of company today with us. He's bringing little Tink with him, his little dog. Apparently his dog loves going out on the boat as well. Look at these lovely old buildings, they're beautiful. Now, Dino said to me that we're going to go away from the lake here on our left for a little bit, and then all of a sudden we end up coming beside the shore again, and when we do, that's when I've got to look out for the lay-by. So it looks like the shore's coming in here now, so I don't think it'll be too far away from here. Mind you, I'm starting to think you've got to be a bit round the outrack really to be going out in November, but we'll see. We'll give this a little look down here and see what it's like. I know there's a bigger lay-by further up there to leave me bike when Dino gets here, rather than leave this on the side of the road. There's one what goes further back, I believe. I don't know how far it is, it's been a while since I've been down this direction. So let's have a look down and see what's down there. Aha, steps. Yeah, this must be the place he was on about, because he mentioned the steps down to it. How beautiful is that? That is fab. That is absolutely fab. Now down that way there, right down the end of the lake, is Pooley Bridge, or whatever you pronounce it. I tell you, there is some breeze out there though. You can feel it on you when you're standing here. So when you get out there, I bet it's going to be a bit of fun, and you can see the way it's blowing. So what we'll probably do, as Dino said, we're going to go against the breeze, so we'll end up going that way. I'm assuming that's what he wants to do. Beans, he's done kayaking for a little bit longer. As I said, this is my first time out, so we're going to go that way. And I suppose it'll be easier to get back. I don't know how far we're going to go up there. We might not go far at all, I just don't know. So, until Dino comes, I will talk to you shortly. Hey?
Hey, look!
What?
Helicopter! Yeah, look at it!
Hey? I can't hear you with the wind.
We'll get to that little outcropping.
Yeah.
Pass. Stop there, have a little walk, have a warm up.
And then go back. ULLSWATER, here we are. And there comes an old boat, an old steamer. It is on. Why, you can't see your face? Right. You're a man or mouse?
Eat.
Eileen said I've not heard from them. Here she comes. That's cool, that is. I tell you, they're fairly stable, aren't they? What? Hey? Well, now I've got me seat, it's a bit different now, it's alright.